Hello everyone, this is Shravya. I'm currently pursuing my BE second year in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the subject OOPS with Java. In that, my topic is creation of class, object, and method overloading and overriding. In this creation of class, we can see this example of syntax. We can say this. In that, we have public class name, that is instance variables and these attributes, and we have data types attributes that call name 1 and data type attribute name 2, and we have the constructor optional republic class name parameters, constructor body methods and return types methods, and name 1 parameters method body and return type method name 2, and we call it as parameters method body. This program defines a car class with instance variables, brand, model, and year, a constructor to initialize these variables, and a method display details to display the details of this car. Then in the main class, it creates two car objects and displays their details. And next we have creation of object. In that we have the syntax of class name, object name is equals to new class name, where the constructor arguments are. We have to assuming we have a class called car. My car is equals to new car, that is Toyota Camry 2020. In Java, you create an object of a class using the new keyword followed by a call to the class constructor. Here's the key syntax, that is class name is equals to name of the class of which you want to create an object, and object name of the object you are creating, and new is keyword used to allocate memory of the object, and constructor arguments are arguments passed to the class constructor if any of this. And we have the introduction to method overloading and overriding also. And these methods overloading and overriding are important concepts in Java programming that allows developers to create more efficient and versatile code. Overloading and overriding play a crucial role in object-oriented programming, enabling developers to define multiple methods in the same class with the same name but different parameters, that is overloading, and to create a new implementing of an object existing method in a subclasses, that is overriding. This comprehensive guide will explore both concepts in detail, showing casing their rules, advantages, and best practices and key differences. And we have what is method overloading. One is different signatures, second is static polymorphism, and third is enhances readability. In that we have different signatures. It is nothing but method overloading refers to the ability to define multiple methods within the same class which shares the same name but have different parameters list. This allows developers to use the same method name with different types or different number of parameters. And where the static polymorphism is nothing but it is a form of compile time polymorphism, as the decision of which method to execute is made during the compile time based on the method signature. Where the enhances reliability means overloading can make code more readable and understandable, as it is allows the use of the same name for similar operations. And we have the rules and examples of method overloading. Rules are methods must have the same name, and methods must have different parameters, and return type can be the same or different. And where the example is public int add, and the input is int a and int b, and the public add where the input is int a, int b, and int c. And we have the advantages of method overloading. One is code reusability and second one is improves readability. We have code reusability means overloaded methods provides code reusability by using the same method name to perform different tasks based on the input parameters. Where the improves readability means it improves the readability of the program by providing methods with similar functionality to have the same name. We have the code also. And what is method overriding? We have modification of existing behavior, and second one is runtime polymorphism. First one is modification of existing behavior. Let me see this definition. Method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by its superclass. It is used to change the behavior of an existing method, where the runtime polymorphism nothing but unlike method overloading, which is resolved at compile time, method overriding is resolved at runtime. And the rules and the examples of method overriding is where the rules are method name and parameters should be the same, and return type can be the same or a subtype of the return type of the overridden method, where the example is at override void display. And the advantages of method overriding are one is flexibility and polymorphism, where the flexibility is nothing but it allows for the fine tuning how inherited methods work in a subclass or adding or modifying behavior to suit the specific needs of the subclass, where the polymorphism is method overriding is a key feature of polymorphism, allowing different classes to provide their own implementation for the same method. And the key differences between the method overloading and overriding, we have two types. One is compilation time and one is relationship, where the compilation time is nothing but method overloading is resolved at compile time, while method overriding is resolved at runtime, where the relationship is defines that overloading occurs in the same class or subclass, while overriding occurs in a superclass and subclass relationship. And we have the best practices for using the method overloading and overriding. One is clear naming and second is consistent approach. And we have the applications of this also. First of all, what is clear naming? Use clear and understandable names for the overloaded and overridden methods to ensure better readability and maintainability. And second one is consistent approach, that is follow consistent coding conventions while implementing overloaded and overridden methods for clarity and uniformity. And I'm concluding this topic. These methods, overloading and overriding, are powerful tools in Java, providing flexibility in defining, using, and extending class behavior. And understanding the differences, rules, and best practices for both concepts is crucial for efficient and effective programming. By participating judicious use of methods, overloading and overriding, developers can create robust, maintainability, and adaptable code. Thank you.